So hi, by the way, I'm April Jimberoy. So the application that I choose is cybersecurity technology. So we all know that cybersecurity is the process of protecting computer system, network, data, and programs from being attacked through digital means. In most cases, cyber attacks are designed to access, change, or destroy information or to extort money from users. So cybersecurity uses a variety of methods, technologies, and processes to coordinate effort across all information system, minimizing risk of cyber attack and unauthorized access to the system. So how does cybersecurity work? So of course, cybersecurity is designed to provide multiple layers of protection across all of the computer network and programs used by a business in order to create a unified defense against potential cyber attacks. So it is important that a business employees, processes, and technologies are designed to work seamlessly together. Cybersecurity systems that function properly will be able to detect, investigate, and resolve potential weaknesses and vulnerabilities in the system before they can be exploited by a hacker or malicious software. So we have here 5 technologies used by cybersecurity. So first is artificial intelligence and deep learning. So artificial intelligence is quite a buzzword these days. Ever wondered how one can apply AI to cybersecurity? Well, the application is in a way similar to the working of two-factor authentication. So two-factor authentication works by confirming a user's identity based on 2 to 3 different parameters. The parameters being something they know, are, and have. Add to the additional layers of information and authentication, and that is where AI comes into the pictures. So deep learning is being used to analyze data such as logs, transactions, and real-time communications to detect threats or unwarranted activities. And the second is behavioral analytics. So behavioral analytics helps determine patterns in system and network activities to detect potential and real-time cyber threats. For instance, an abnormal increase in data transmission from a certain user device could indicate a possible cybersecurity issue, while behavioral analytics is mostly used for network, its application in system, and user devices has witnessed and observed. So, and the third is protection to hardware. Embedded authenticators are emerging technology to verify a user's identity. And the fourth is blockchain cybersecurity. So blockchain cybersecurity is one of the latest cybersecurity technologies that gaining momentum and recognition. So the blockchain technology works on the basis of identification between the 2 transaction parties. Similarly, blockchain cybersecurity works on the basis of blockchain technology, peer-to-peer network fundamentals. And the fifth is Zero Trust model. So as the name itself states, this model of cybersecurity is based on considering that a network is already compromised by believing that one cannot trust the network. One would obviously have to enhance both internal and external securities. So we have here advantages and the disadvantages that this technology might bring to people or the society, or should we say the impact of this technology. So advantages are: first is protect system against viruses, worm, spyware, and other unwanted programs. And the second is protection against data from theft. And the third is protect the computer from being hacked. Fourth is minimizes computer freezing and crashes. And the last is gives privacy to users. And the advantages is firewalls can be difficult to configure correctly. And the second is incorrectly configured firewalls may block users from performing certain action on the internet until the firewall configured correctly. And the third is makes the system slower than before. And the fourth is need to keep updating the new software in order to keep security up to date. And the last is could be costly for average users. So we live in a digital world. Our work lives, personal lives, and finances have all begun gravitating toward the world of the internet, mobile computing, and electronic media. Unfortunately, this widespread phenomenon makes us more vulnerable than ever to malicious attacks, invasions of privacy, fraud, and other unpleasantries. So that's why cybersecurity is such a vital part of a secure and well-ordered digital world. Cybersecurity keeps us safe from hackers, cyber criminals, and other agents